Hi everybody, this is Gary Dean, and this is our nightly video report for Thursday, August 25th, 2016. I really don't have a whole lot to go over. I'm sorry for getting this out late. We actually had to put our cat to sleep. So I came back and I started looking at the charts, and I really... no major support levels were broken. Every time the bulls try to kind of mount some kind of rally or support, they're getting pushed back down, and we're ending the day where we started. So really, I guess the main thing is wave count-wise, we have enough to call this 5 waves up, and from there, the anticipated move lower would be anywhere from the 2092 all the way down to the 2034. The pattern-wise is looking for a move to come all the way down here, and if it breaks it, then things get bare ugly. But right now, I'm really just focusing on this retracement right here, and then we just, if things get bare ugly, then we'll end up down here. But right now, there's really not a whole lot to go over. You can see that the bulls, the bears tried to test this line, and this is where we saw some buying step in. But if they break, like I've been saying, if this gives way, let's just say this 2068, it should be a quick move down to this support level here. This is going to be a reaction trade anywhere down to the 2147, 2146 level. Now, on a 60-minute chart, we are below both moving averages right now. So that is something that we really, I'm trying to figure out the last time that really, since the rally started, going all the way back in, well, this is the short-term part of it. This is after the Brexit. So right here, after the Brexit low, this is the first time, so going all the way back to June 27th, this is the first time that the S&P is trading below both the 50 and the 200-day moving average. So something is changing. You can tell that the bulls are out of steam, because the only way they've been able to move this market higher has been on these gap ups. But every gap up they've tried, we've seen complete selling, and this was the last one that took place, and that was on Tuesday, and we saw selling kicking right there. So the market's exhausted. The internals are as stretched as they possibly could be. We have sentiment that's at levels I've never seen before. So everything is in line for the large break to the downside. The only thing that isn't really, say, running with this whole, move down is price. And that's, until we start seeing some of these support levels break, it's going to be just more frustration. I don't think there's going to be any runaway market on this. I think there's just too much uncertainty right around the corner with the presidency and these emails with Clinton and all that stuff that's going through, that I just don't believe that we are in the process of about to see some kind of runaway train to the upside. But yet the emails that I'm getting from the financial blog world, that's pretty much what everybody is looking for. So like I said, the cards are in place for a sharp drop. Now we just kind of really have to wait for price to react, and when it does, it usually moves 5, 6, 10 times faster than it has on the upside, and I do not believe that this time is going to be any different. So really what the bears want to do, they want to keep it below this 2081. If they fail to do that, then we're probably going to see a move up to that 2181. So I'm sorry, 2188, and then maybe test these levels. So the bears really want to defend this. They want to keep the S&P below the 2181 for them to keep the pressure on this support level and push it below. So let's see what tomorrow brings. Again, I wish I had more. It's kind of really a boring, frustrating market, because you're not making money on the long side and you're not making money on the short side, and this is going back over a month and a half now that this has been going on, where if you bought at this July 20th top, you've been down some, you've been up some, and you're even. And, that's it. That's frustration. That's really, nobody's making money except for these day trading algorithms. So with that, let's see what plays out tomorrow. Enjoy the rest of your night, and I'll talk to you guys in the morning.